Hello guys, welcome to the Hodl EOS channel where we stay focused on EOS and EOS.io blockchains. If you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rob. Hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell to join the Hodl gang. In this video, we are talking Xnation. Xnation is a Bancor liquidity pool exchange allowing any user to convert from any token listed to any other token listed. On Xnation, any user can create their own liquidity pool if it is not listed already, or add liquidity to an existing pool, thus becoming the market maker and earning the fees off the trades made with that token on Xnation. We are going to start off covering the basic functionality, just converting from one token to another. Then we will cover creating your own liquidity pool and adding liquidity to an existing liquidity pool to earn the market maker fees. Here's where you will start off when you visit xnation.io. That is on the Convert tab. Now here is the list of all the tokens available so far on Xnation, all EOS tokens. Now there is also an Ethereum token section and a stablecoin section. The stablecoin section you cannot add liquidity to. That is an internal project at this point, but it does have really good liquidity. But we are focusing on EOS and the huge list of EOS tokens available. You can convert from any of these tokens to any other one of these tokens listed. And if a token you have is not listed, you can create the pool and get it listed on here. Everything is done at the top here. You're converting from one to another. Now, it shows you your available balance underneath. I have 4.569 EOS. I do not have any BNT. I'm going to need some BNT to add liquidity to a pool, which we will talk about more here in just a minute. So in order to convert, I either come in here and select I want to move from EOS to BNT. So the left side is the token you are moving from, or the token you are selling, to the token you want to receive, or the token you are buying. This can also be done if you want to get the inverse of the pair you have. Simply clicking the arrows inverts the pair. Now I'd be moving from BNT to EOS, but I want to move from EOS to BNT. So, real easy to do. Input the amount you want to convert. I'm going to convert 100% of my EOS, 4.569, and that will give me, it auto calculates 7.35 BNT tokens, and it shows you the current prices you are working with as well as the slippage you are seeing. Then you click convert when you want to convert. Scatter or another wallet you're connected to will pop up. Allow that. Success. View transaction on blocks. And you can now see I don't have any available EOS, and I have 7.355 BNT tokens since I just converted all my EOS to BNT. Again, you can swap from any token listed to any token listed. Swapping from, swapping to. What you will send is on the left, what you will receive is on the right. If you want to add liquidity to one of these pools and earn the fees off the trades made with that token pair, come to the pools section at the top. In the pools section, this gives you a list of all the pools. It shows you the smart token symbol, the owner, the person who created the pool, the ratio, how much liquidity is in the pool, and the fee for that pair. And then you have actions. Subtract is remove liquidity. The plus is add liquidity. So any of these pluses that are lit up, you can add liquidity to. I'm going to find the VIG token. Here is the VIG token. And I'm going to click the plus button to add liquidity. And then up at the top, you can see BNT VIG. For these Bancor style pools that are 50-50, as much VIG or as much token that you want to add liquidity to that you put in, you have to put in the equal amount of BNT as well. So I'm going to use 100% of my BNT 7.35, and that would mean I have to put in 997.9416 VIG tokens. And to do this, just click Add Liquidity. First step is actually funding the liquidity pool. I'm sending over the 7.35 BNT, and I am sending over the 997 VIG tokens, and in return I will receive 1,339 of the BNT VIG smart token. Allow that. Wait for it to work its magic, and then there could be another transaction. Yep, it's collecting the dust that was left over. Step 1 of the add liquidity, I sent too much BNT, so I get back my dust. Allow that. And now I have added funds to the liquidity pool and will earn on the VIG pair 0.2% fee. So every time someone uses the VIG token on Xnation, there is a 0.2% fee. So I sent over the 7.35 BNT. I sent over the 997 VIG tokens, and in return I got 1,339 BNT VG tokens. These are transferable, and these represent my percentage of the pool. So you can transfer your percentage of the pool, your smart token, to another account. But now if I wanted to remove this liquidity, I could either find the token again and click on the minus button, or simply click here, go to remove liquidity. And when you click remove liquidity, it shows you your balance you have in the pool. So my 1,339 BNT VG tokens is equivalent to 7.35 BNT and 997 VIG in the VIG pool on Xnation. So if I remove liquidity, I'll be cashing in these BNT VG tokens and receiving back BNT and VIG. So I'm going to select to remove 100%. I could do 50, 25%. I'm going to remove 100% of my liquidity. Click remove liquidity. That will be withdrawing 7.35 BNTs and 997 VIGs. And the actual action you send is you're cashing in your BNT VG tokens, converting your BNT VG back to the actual liquidity you have in the pool. So allow that. Success. And here you can see that. Send EOS to Rob sent to Bancor converter the 1,339 BNT VG, and I got back my liquidity 997 VIG and 7.35 BNT tokens. But do note you could have more BNT and less of the other token, or vice versa, just based on the current pricing. That is how you add liquidity to an existing pool. Now, if there is a token not listed on Xnation that you would like to list, the create button at the top is where you need to go. And here you are going to create a pool. Now, one side has to be BNT or USDB, which is the USD version of Bancor token. So one side has to be either of these, and then you can select which token you want to create a pool for. Any of these tokens, if they're not already on Xnation, you can create a pool for them. And the cool thing is, when you create a pool, you can set the fee. Want a 0% fee? Set a 0% fee. Want a 1% fee? Set a 1% fee. Not sure how high this goes. Want a up to 3%. So want a 3% fee? Set a 3% fee. Then input the amounts. You want to make this 50-50. So this isn't automatically pulled like the other pools, but you'd insert amount of BNT on this side, insert amount of other token on that side, click create the pool, and then you create the pool. So there it is, guys, the Xnation EOS Bancor liquidity pools. If you want to use Xnation as an exchange, the convert tab is where you want to be. Convert from any token on the left side to any token on the right side. If you want to add liquidity to a pool, the pools tab is what you're looking for. Find the token you want to add liquidity to its pool, and the plus button is add liquidity, and the minus button is remove liquidity. If you do not see a token on Xnation, you can create your own pool in the Create tab. So that's it for this one, guys. I've been getting a lot of questions on Xnation. I hope this clears it up for most of you out there. If you do like these tutorials, make sure to drop a like. And if you're not a part of the HODL gang yet, hit that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. And don't forget to follow HODL EOS on Twitter, linked in the description. That's it for me for this one. I will see you guys in the next one.